mean, median, and mode. Three key concepts of statistics. These are essential for exam, real life applications, and even data science. This video we are going to solve three very important math based on mean, median, and mode. Let's start. Our first question: the mean of 5 numbers is 12. If 4 of the numbers are 10, 8, 14, 16, what is the fifth number? First, we have to know about mean. Mean, also called average. The mean is the sum of all values in a data set divided by the total number of values. It means summation of all values divide total number. So for this question we can write like this. Look, so in this case we can write mean equals to all numbers. It means 10 plus 8 plus 14 plus 16, but we don't know the fifth number, but we have to divide this one by 5. Now look, here already mentioned 5 numbers, the mean is 12. It means 12 times 5 equals to 60 is our summation of all numbers. It means here should be 60 divide 5 because mean is 12. So 10 plus 8, 18, 18 plus 14, 32, 32 plus 16, 48. So 60 minus 48, it means the required number is 12. Therefore our answer is 12, right? So we can write, so mean equals to 12. Is it true? Mean equals to true, but the fifth number is, so the fifth number equals to 12. How we get this one? First, just we subtract from 60 to the summation of fourth number. So in the answer we can write like this: summation of all numbers equals to 5 gun 12, 60 minus 4 number equals to 48 minus, it means 12. So our answer is 12. So first answer 12. Second answer, find the median of the following data set: 7, 12, 4, 9, 10, 15, 8. So here also we have to know what is median, right? Median is the middle value of a data set when arranged in ascending order. So we can now make this one ascending order. So this one first we can write what? Which one is the smallest number? Number 4. So we can write first 4, then smallest number is 7, right? Then 8, right? 9, then 10, then 12, and finally 15. Okay, If the number of value is odd, the median is the middle number. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So number is what? Therefore, in left side here is 3 numbers and right side also 3 numbers. And the middle number 9 is our median. Right? Answer equals to 9. Number 3. The mode of a set of number is 9. Which of the following could be the data set? So first we have to know what is mode. Mode is the number that appears. Look, the mode is the number that appears most frequently in a data set. So this question, look, number A, here is 9 and 9 2 times, it means here mode is what? 9. But number B, here is only 1 9 and number C, here is no 9. Therefore, our answer is option A, which is 7, 8, 9, 9, 10, 11. Here 9 become 2 times, which is most frequently. So no more today. We are trying to solve 3 math based on mean, median and mode. Hope it will help you for your examination. If you think this video is helping you, please subscribe my channel and share with your friends. Thank you.